Welcome students to Desktop Greenhouses. We're exploring how matter cycles in a system, energy flows, and we're going to be setting up, each team will have 2 desktop greenhouses. What's our independent? Our independent is color of light, and you have blue, green, yellow as your options for color of light. One color for one of your greenhouses, one color for the other one. The teacher will serve as the control and set up his or her greenhouse with a white light. What is our dependent? What are we measuring? We're going to be measuring the mass of the entire system on a scale. We're also going to be measuring the heights in centimeters of the plant. So how do we set this up? Let's get started. First of all, we need to gather all the materials. The black cup, the clear cup. This interesting looking device is called Jiffy, and it'll serve as a nutrient source. We have coin batteries at the bottom. We also have our different lights, our alfalfa seeds, our graduated cylinder, electrical tape, and masking tape. So after you've gathered all the materials, one of you will take out the coin battery, and then we're going to add 50 milliliters of water to the Jiffy and set a 15-minute timer because you want this to rise. You want this Jiffy to rise in size. In the other one, we will also remove the coin battery and have 50 mils of water on top of the Jiffy, again waiting about 15 minutes for this to rise. Once they have risen, we're going to get a teaspoon of the alfalfa seeds, put it on top of the Jiffies, and then we are ready to set up the coin battery. So the lights have 2 prongs, a longer and a shorter, and you'll see that the longer one connects with the positive end. No big deal if you don't see that. If you do it the other direction, you see the light will not turn on. So make sure your light turns on. You'll get your electrical tape, you'll wind it all the way around, being conservative with our tape, and then they will go through the lid. The lids have a hole, so you can put, for one greenhouse, you can put one color, and whatever your team decided. Let's go green, the other coin battery. You see that doesn't work, so we'll turn it around. Again, wrap it in electrical tape and put it on the second lid. Okay? Remember, your teacher is going to have the white light as his or her control for the class. Last thing is to label. So you will be labeling the black cup and the clear cup with your team name, period, etc. So make sure both are labeled. You're going to set them up, put them on the counter. Oh, but before that, we need to take some observational measurements. On day 1, make some observations. What is the height of your plant? Okay, and you'll also put them on the scale and take the mass of the entire system. And then we're going to leave them on the counter in a spot designated by your teacher and leave them until day 4. What's going to happen to matter in this system, in these desktop greenhouses? All right, students, I hope you're excited to start this, and I hope this was helpful.